Welcome to your journey toward homeownership in the United States. Whether you're new to the country or have lived here for years, buying your first home is a major milestone, one that can shape your future and open new doors for you and your loved ones. Buying a home here isn't just a financial move, it's about building your future, creating memories, and making a space your own. It's where you'll celebrate milestones, gather with friends, and put down roots in a community that feels right for you. The process can seem overwhelming, especially with unfamiliar terms, paperwork, and rules. But don't worry. While it may look complicated at first, it's more accessible than you might think. With the right guidance, you'll find that each step is manageable and you'll gain confidence as you go. You don't need to be a US citizen to buy property. Permanent residents, visa holders, and even foreign nationals can own homes here. The American real estate market is open to people from all backgrounds, and there are options for nearly every situation. This guide will break down every step, from understanding the requirements and finding the right neighborhood to getting your keys and moving in. We'll walk you through the paperwork, explain the financial aspects, and help you avoid common pitfalls. By understanding the system, you'll avoid common mistakes and make smart decisions. You'll learn how to compare mortgage options, work with real estate agents, and protect your investment for the long term. We'll cover saving for your down payment, building and improving your credit, and navigating the mortgage process. You'll discover tips for budgeting, learn what lenders look for, and find out how to strengthen your application. The US welcomes property buyers from all backgrounds, so your dream is within reach. No matter where you're from, you can find a place to call your own and become part of a vibrant, diverse community. We'll also help you explore different neighborhoods, understand what to look for in a home, and connect with professionals who can support you every step of the way. Get ready to turn confusion into confidence. With the right information, you'll feel empowered to make choices that fit your needs and your dreams. We'll simplify the journey and empower you with the knowledge you need. From your first question to the moment you unlock your front door, we're here to guide you. Let's get started on making your American dream a reality. Your new home is waiting, and the path to get there is clearer than you think. It's a big step, but you're not alone. Let's dive in together and make your dream of homeownership come true. Let's answer the big question. Can immigrants buy homes in the US? Absolutely. Permanent residents are treated almost like citizens by lenders, with access to FHA, Virginia, and conventional loans. Non-permanent residents with valid work visas, like H-1B or L-1, can also qualify, as long as your visa and employment are stable. Lenders want to see legal status and steady income, usually with 2 years of employment history. Be ready to provide pay stubs, tax returns, and if self-employed, extra documentation. A US credit history is crucial. Aim for a score above 620, but 740 plus gets you the best rates. Down payments range from 3.5% FHA to 20% conventional, plus 25% for closing costs. Start building credit and saving now. The process is clear and achievable with preparation. Let's move on to how you can meet these requirements. Building US credit is your first mission. If you're new to the country, you might not have a credit history yet, but don't worry. There are clear steps you can take to get started and set yourself up for success. Start with a secured credit card. Use it for small purchases and pay it off in full every month. This simple habit shows lenders you're responsible and helps you build a positive credit history over time. Even small regular purchases can make a difference if you pay them off promptly. Another smart move is to become an authorized user on a trusted person's credit card. If they have good credit and pay on time, their positive history can help boost your score, giving you a head start. Consider credit builder loans to show reliability. These small loans are designed to help you establish credit, and making on-time payments demonstrates your trustworthiness to future lenders. Gather employment records from both your home country and the US. Get them translated if needed. Lenders want to see a stable work history, so having organized, translated documents can make the process much smoother. Keep all pay stubs and file taxes consistently. This paperwork proves your income and reliability, which are both crucial when applying for a mortgage. Staying on top of your taxes also helps you avoid surprises later. Saving for a down payment? Create a strict budget and set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. Even small regular deposits add up over time, and a dedicated savings plan keeps you on track toward your goal. Research down payment assistance programs. Many are open to non-citizens. These programs can help you bridge the gap and make homeownership more affordable, so don't hesitate to ask a housing counselor for guidance. Organization and discipline are key. Keep your documents, records, and savings plans in order, so you're always ready for the next step in the process. The right habits now will make you a strong mortgage candidate. Lenders look for consistency, responsibility, and preparation. Qualities you can demonstrate with every step you take. With your finances in order, you're ready for the next step. You've built a solid foundation, and you can move forward with confidence. Let's look at the legal side of buying a home. Stay focused and proactive, and remember, every bit of preparation brings you closer to your dream of homeownership. US property laws are designed to protect both buyers and sellers, creating a fair and transparent process for everyone involved. Whether you're purchasing your first home or investing in real estate, understanding these laws is essential to making informed decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. One of the most important laws is the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, or RESPA. This law ensures you receive clear, detailed disclosures about your loan costs so you know exactly what you're paying for. Always review your loan estimate carefully, and don't hesitate to ask your lender questions if anything is unclear. This document breaks down your interest rate, monthly payments, and closing costs, helping you compare offers and avoid hidden fees. When you buy a home, you're actually purchasing the legal title to the property. It's crucial to get title insurance, which protects you from unexpected ownership disputes, unpaid liens, or errors in public records. Title insurance gives you peace of mind, ensuring your ownership is secure and free from legal challenges. Property taxes are another key factor. These taxes vary widely depending on your location, and they can significantly impact your monthly and yearly expenses. Before you buy, research the property tax rates in your area and factor them into your budget. Remember, property taxes help fund local schools, roads, and public services. Most lenders collect property taxes along with your mortgage payment through an escrow account. This means a portion of your monthly payment is set aside to cover taxes and insurance, making it easier to manage these costs and avoid late payments. Zoning laws are local regulations that control how land can be used. They determine whether a property can be used for residential, commercial, or other purposes. Always check your area's zoning rules before buying, especially if you plan to renovate or run a business from home. If your home is part of a homeowners association, or HOA, you'll be required to pay regular fees and follow community rules. These rules, called CC&Rs, can affect everything from landscaping to exterior paint colors. Read them carefully to make sure you're comfortable with the restrictions and costs. Understanding these basics helps you avoid surprises and prepares you for a smooth home buying experience. Take time to review all documents and ask questions along the way. While legal protections are in place to safeguard your interests, it's up to you to do your homework. Research, consult professionals, and never sign anything you don't fully understand. Stay informed, ask plenty of questions, and don't be afraid to seek expert advice. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel throughout the process. In the next chapter, we'll show you how to build your home buying team so you have the right support every step of the way. Remember, knowledge is your best asset when navigating US property laws and making your dream of homeownership a reality. You need a team. Don't go it alone. Start with a mortgage advisor who understands immigrant buyers and can explain your loan options. Shop around. Compare at least 3 lenders, including banks and credit unions. Choose someone patient and experienced with your visa or residency status. A real estate agent is your advocate. Find a realtor with local expertise and a strong ethical code. In many states, a real estate attorney is essential. They review contracts and protect your interests. Even if not required, an attorney is a smart investment for peace of mind. Your agent can recommend trusted professionals. The right team makes the process smoother and safer. Organization is your superpower. Gather your paperwork early. You'll need government-issued photo ID, passport, visa, green card, social security card or ITIN, and proof of legal status. Provide recent pay stubs, W-2s, and 2 years of tax returns. Show bank statements for checking, savings, and investments. If you're using gift funds, get a formal gift letter. List all debts: car loans, student loans, credit cards. If buying with a partner, double up on all documents. Create a dedicated folder, digital or physical, to keep everything organized. Being prepared speeds up your application and reduces stress. Next, let's walk through the final steps to homeownership. Found your dream home? Here's what happens next. Your agent helps you make a formal offer, including price, closing date, and contingencies like inspection and financing. Once accepted, you enter escrow. A neutral third party holds funds and documents. Deposit your earnest money, 1-3% of the price, to show you're serious. Schedule a home inspection to uncover any issues. Your lender orders an appraisal to confirm the home's value. Underwriters review your finances, respond quickly to any requests. On closing day, you sign documents, pay your down payment and closing costs, and officially become the owner. Once the funds transfer, you get your keys. That moment marks the start of your new chapter. Congratulations, you did it! You did. Homeownership brings new responsibilities. Your monthly payment covers principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, but budget for more. Set aside 1-2% of your home's value each year for maintenance and repairs. Routine upkeep, landscaping, pest control, cleaning adds up, so plan ahead. DIY can save money, but some tasks require professionals. Property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees can increase over time. Review your budget annually. Stay proactive to avoid surprises. Planning for these costs ensures a stress-free experience. Enjoy your new home with confidence. Let's wrap up with key takeaways. Buying a home as an immigrant is absolutely possible. Preparation is everything. Build your credit, maintain steady employment, and save diligently. Assemble a trusted team mortgage advisor, real estate agent, and attorney. Stay organized. Gather documents early and respond quickly to requests. The right professionals will guide and protect you. Homeownership is a powerful step towards stability and wealth. The process can be complex, but knowledge and preparation make it manageable. Keep your goal in sight and ask questions along the way. You have what it takes to achieve your American dream. Welcome home. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only, not financial or legal advice. Consult qualified professionals before making decisions. Copyright Elisha Oluniyi. All rights reserved.